Have you ever asked yourself, can I do this in monday.com? Well, now the answer is simple. Yes, you can. Meet Monday Vibe, the game changer that lets anyone build custom business apps in seconds with AI. No code, no limits. With Monday Vibe, you describe, AI builds, you refine, all without touching code. Vibe lives right inside your Monday account and uses the same trusted infrastructure you already rely on. Getting started is so easy. You can open Vibe from the heart icon in the top bar, add it as a board view, or go straight to monday.com/vibe. All right, let's build something together. First, we're going to select our reference board and data. From there, we'll just tell Monday Vibe what we want. For example, build a time tracking dashboard where employees can log billable hours and see totals by client and project with a professional modern design. And Monday Vibe instantly starts building your app. In just over 3 minutes, you'll have a fully functioning app ready for use. Didn't nail it on the first try? Just chat back with Vibe. And quick tip, refine step by step so you can quickly revert if needed. Add a filter to view by employee or client. Or make the background color light yellow. That's not right. Let's revert. Maybe add a search bar at the top. Each prompt refines the app instantly. Cool, right? Once you're satisfied with your results, click Publish. Now, as you work in the underlying data and your workflow changes, your Vibe app updates and displays changes in real time. All of this done with zero coding by you. And this was just one example though. The possibilities here are as endless as your imagination. Maybe you want to build a competitor intel tracker that pulls in news and product launches and keeps your reports live in real time. Or a presentation view that instantly creates a beautiful deck from your OKRs. And everything you build is deeply connected to your workflows and data. How about a recruiting portal, a financial dashboard, a project tracker, an org chart? Vibe can build anything. Before we go, I want to lay out a couple tips for you to get the most out of Monday Vibe. For best results, structure your prompt around 4 things: what you're building, who it's for, the tasks they'll do, and the look and feel you want. And a couple more things. Keep it short, reference real board data, and make one change at a time. And that's it. Everything you build in Vibe lives securely inside monday.com, ready to share or scale. So whether it's a dashboard, workflow, or something brand new, don't build it, vibe it. Happy Vibe coding. Learn more with links in the description and discover more AI tools on monday.com with the playlist on the screen.